I am Alagir Lingappa, Assistant Professor in Physics. Today, I am discussing about Stirling's approximation and Maxwell-Boltzmann distribution law. So, statistical mechanics. So, the branch, fifth sum 5.2 paper, statistical mechanics, quantum mechanics and electronics, part 1. Program BSc, subject physics, semester, fifth semester, University, Vijayanagara Sri Krishna Devaraya University, Ballari, session 4. Learning objective, charged particles, density of the molecules, elementary particles, monoatomic solids, diatomic ideal gas. So these are the learning objectives. Session outcomes from this concept. So statement of the theorem, characteristics of the particles, average particle energy, molar heat capacity. Prerequisites, most probable speed, average speed, RMS speed, degrees of freedom. Stirling's approximation for n factorial. When evaluating distribution functions for statics, it is often necessary to evaluate the factorials of feasible numbers, as in the binomial distribution, f(b) of x which is equal to n factorial p to the power of x into 1 minus p factorial n minus x by x factorial n minus x factorial. A helpful and commonly used approximate relationship for the evaluation of the factorials of large numbers is Stirling's approximation. N factorial is equal to n to the power of n, e to the power of minus n, root of 2 pi n. A slightly more accurate approximation is the following. N factorial, which is equal to n to the power of n, e to the power of minus n, root 2 pi n of 1 plus 1 by 2n. But in most cases, the difference is small. This additional terms does give a way to assess whether the approximation has a large error. Stirling's approximation is also useful for approximating the log of a factorial, which finds application in evaluation of entropy in terms of multiplicity, as in the Einstein solid. The log of n factorial is log n, which is equal to n log n minus n plus log of or root of 2 pi n. But the last term may usually be neglected, so that a working approximation is log n factorial is equal to n log n minus n. Maxwell-Boltzmann distribution law. Consider a system of n distinguishable molecule of a gas. Suppose n1 of them have energy E1, En2 have energy E2, En3 have energy E3, and so on. Thus, the entire assembly of molecules can be divided into EI and having N1, N2, N3, etc. Ni molecules. The total number of molecules n is constant, hence n is equal to n1 plus n2 plus n3 plus etc. plus ni plus etc. is equal to constant, or delta n is equal to delta n1 plus delta n2 plus delta n3 plus etc. plus delta ni plus is equal to 0. So sigma delta ni is equal to 0. Let this is equation number 1. The total energy of gas molecule is constant, hence E is equal to E1 N1 plus E2 N2 plus E3 N3 plus etc. EI Ni is equal to constant. Delta E is equal to EI Ni delta Ni plus E2 delta N2 plus E1 delta N1 plus E2 delta N2 plus E3 delta N3 plus etc. EI delta Ni is equal to 0. That is sigma EI delta Ni is equal to 0. Let this is equation number 2. Suppose there are Gi cells with the energy Ei. The number of ways in which Ni molecules can have energy Ei is Gi of Ni. Hence, the total number of ways in which N molecule can be distributed among the various energy Cs. So W1 which is equal to G1 of N1, G2 of N2, G3 of N3, so Gi of Ni. The number of ways in which the groups of N1, N2, N3, etc. Ni particles can be chosen from N particles is given by W2 is equal to N factorial by N1 factorial, N2 factorial, N3 factorial, etc. The number of distinguishable ways in which N molecules can be distributed among the possible energy levels is W is equal to W1, W2 which is equal to capital N factorial, then G1 by N1 factorial, N2 factorial, N3 factorial into G1 what is the power of N1, G2 what is the power of N2, G3 what is the power of N3. Let this is equation number 3. The quantity W is called thermodynamic probability for the system. For the most probable distribution, W is maximum subjected to the restriction that the total number of particles N and the energy E are constants. The natural logarithm of equation 3 is log W is equal to log N factorial minus sigma log Ni factorial plus sigma Ni log Gi. By Stirling theorem, log n factorial which is equal to n log n minus n. Log W is equal to n log n minus sigma Ni log Ni plus sigma Ni plus sigma Ni log Gi. Log W is equal to n log n minus sigma Ni log Ni plus sigma Ni log Gi. That is equation number 4. From equation 4 we have for maximum W, so delta log W maximum which is equal to sigma N1 1 delta N1 minus sigma log N1 plus sigma log N plus sigma log G delta Gi is equal to 0, or minus sigma log Ni delta Ni plus sigma log Gi log Ni is equal to 0. Let this equation of 5. So since sigma delta Ni is equal to 0, equation 1 and 2 can be incorporated in equation 5 by making use of Lagrange's method of under mentioned multipliers. Multiplying the equation 1 by minus alpha and equation 2 minus beta and adding to equation 5 we get sigma minus ln Ni plus log n J plus minus alpha minus beta Ei of delta Ni is equal to 0. Let this is equation number 6. Or log Ni minus log Ni plus log Gi minus alpha minus beta Ei is equal to 0, or Ni is equal to Gi e to the power of minus alpha to e to the power of minus beta El. Let this is equation number 7. Equation 7 is called Maxwell-Boltzmann distribution law. Maxwell-Boltzmann distribution in terms of temperature, it can be shown that beta is equal to 1 by kT, where K Boltzmann constant, T absolute temperature of the gas. Therefore, Na is equal to Gi e to the power of minus alpha e to the power of Ei by kT. Let this equation number 8, so-called Maxwell-Boltzmann distribution law. So, I think multiple choice questions. Phase space is a 3-dimensional space, 4-dimensional space, 5-dimensional phase, 6-dimensional phase. So here 6-dimensional phase is the correct answer. Maxwell-Boltzmann law is for the distinguishable particles, indistinguishable particles, particles with half integral spin, particles with integral spin wave answer. So I think first one is the correct answer, distinguishable particles. Maxwell-Boltzmann statistics cannot be applied to atoms, molecules, photons, lattice. So photons is the correct answer. The average kinetic energy associated with each degree of freedom is kT, 2 kT, kT by 2, kT by 4. So third one is the correct answer, kT by 2. The density of molecules is a maximum at which speed Vrms, Vp, Vmean, Vrms. Say Vp is the correct answer. Then what are the applications of Maxwell-Boltzmann equations? That means distribution law, average particle energy, average molecular kinetic energy, specific heats of solids. Then which are the references? That means the books we have used. Statistical Mechanics by Hang, the Statistical Mechanics by S. L. Gupta and V. Kumar. Thank you.